First off, before use, be sure to shake well. It's best to then determine the direction of grain of your stainless steel before cleaning. Next, dispense the desired amount directly onto a soft, dry cloth and wipe in the direction of the grain. Finally, buff the surface with a new soft, dry cloth. It is recommended to use weekly or as needed to maintain that nice, streak-free, polished shine. Odor-causing residue and buildup can form in machines over time. Affresh washing machine cleaner tablets deep clean to help remove odor-causing residues and grime daily loads leave behind. Remove clothing or other items from washer. Place one tablet into the washer tub. Do not place in the dispenser. For washers with a clean washer cycle, select and run the clean washer cycle. Non-HE washers, select and run a normal or heavy cycle with a hot water setting. HE washers, select and run the largest load and longest cycle with a hot water setting. To begin cleaning, turn your ice machine off and remove all ice from the storage bin. Next, unscrew the drain cap from the bottom of the water pan located at the rear of the ice storage bin. Allow the water to fully drain and replace the cap. Now, pour the entire contents of the bottle into the water pan. Then, add 32 ounces of tap water into the water pan. By filling the bottle twice, it will give you 32 ounces. Next, activate the clean cycle. During this cycle, the machine will both clean and rinse itself. After the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the drain cap. If any cleaning solution is visible, replace the drain cap and repeat by adding water. Then, activate the clean cycle once more to further rinse the system. Finally, turn the machine on to resume ice production. To properly care for your machine, always use the cleaner according to your ice machine's use and care instructions. First, the kit includes a 5-ounce cooktop cleaner, 5 scrubbing pads, and a scraper. You always want to make sure the cooktop is cool before you clean. Then, remove any burnt residue from the cooktop with the scraper. Next, shake the cooktop cleaner and apply the cleaner directly to the cooktop surface. Use the scrubbing pad to rub the soiled area. If you do run out of scrubbers, you can also use the cleaner with any soft, dry cloth, but never use abrasive pads or steel wool on your cooktop. Then, simply finish up by buffing with a soft, dry cloth for a streak-free shine. It is recommended to use monthly or as needed to keep your cooktop looking like new. Affresh cleans what you can't see: the tub, the racks, pump and valve, drain and recirculation hoses. You're able to use this cleaner either with or without dishes in your machine. If cleaning without dishes, simply place one tablet in the detergent tray. For significant buildup, a second tablet can be added to the bottom of the dishwasher. Now, if cleaning with dishes, place one tablet in the bottom of the dishwasher tub. Then, run a normal wash cycle, both with or without dishes. It's best to use monthly to help keep your machine looking like new.